Still don't know what to learn in tech? Here is my advice. If you are learning tech but still don't know what to focus on, either it's Frontend, Backend, web dev, Python, anything, bro, you are not alone. I've been there and I'm still kind of there sometimes, but that is still for another day. A lot of people feel they must have everything figured out when they start coding, but that's not true. Tech is big, like very, very big, and confusion is part of the journey. The goal is to try, not to be perfect from day one. Don't wait until you are 100% sure. Pick something that seems interesting. If you are thinking of web dev, maybe try HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. They are the building blocks of frontend. Just build something small. Even if it's ugly, it teaches you a lot. Frontend is about what people see, the layouts, buttons, color, and backend is stuff behind the scenes like data, logics, and database. Try both first. Build something small with each, then decide what feels right for you. Even if you start with frontend and later move to backend, that's okay. Most developers don't stick to one thing forever. It's better to start than to stay confused doing nothing. If you are still trying to find your path, don't feel bad, bro. Try to explore, build. The clarity will come with time. And if you ever feel stuck, drop a comment in the comment section. I'm here for you. If you are here for the first time, my name is Samuel Damilari. People call me Damdev. See you in the next video.